Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have a video that's perfect for all the busy individuals out there who are looking to simplify their week and maintain a healthy lifestyle. In this episode, we're going to share some incredible meal prep hacks that will save you time, reduce stress, and ensure you have delicious and nutritious meals ready to go. Get ready for Simplify Your Week, healthy meal prep hacks for busy individuals. Let's dive in. Life can get pretty hectic, and finding time to cook healthy meals every day can be a challenge. That's where meal prep comes in. By dedicating just a few hours each week to plan, prep, and store your meals, you can set yourself up for success. It's an effective way to stay on track with your health goals while saving precious time during the week. Let's explore some meal prep hacks that will make your life a whole lot easier. Our first meal prep hack is all about batch cooking. By preparing larger quantities of ingredients like grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, or whole grains, you can create the building blocks for multiple meals throughout the week. Consider mixing and matching these components to create different dishes and keep your taste buds excited. Moving on to our second hack, we'll dive into the world of make-ahead breakfasts. Mornings can be hectic, and skipping breakfast is never a good idea. Some simple and nutritious breakfast recipes that you can prepare in advance are overnight oats, egg muffins, or smoothie packs. With these hacks, you'll have a nourishing start to your day, even on the busiest mornings. Now, let's talk about prepping snacks and lunches. Consider portable and healthy snacks like energy balls, veggie sticks, and homemade trail mix. For lunches, consider easy-to-assemble salads, grain bowls, and wraps that can be quickly assembled using the prepped ingredients. Say goodbye to last-minute takeout and hello to satisfying and nourishing meals on the go. Another fantastic meal prep hack is freezer-friendly meals. Consider preparing and freezing meals that can be easily reheated throughout the week. From hearty soups and stews to casseroles and stir-fries, these freezer-friendly meals will save you time and effort on those days when you're too busy to cook from scratch. Let's not forget about snacks and treats. Healthy and homemade snacks that you can whip up in advance could be homemade granola bars, protein balls, or fruit and nut mixes. These snacks will keep your energy levels up and prevent you from reaching for unhealthy alternatives. Lastly, we'll discuss the importance of proper meal storage and organization. Think about meal prepping containers, portion control, and labeling to ensure your meals stay fresh and easily accessible throughout the week. Organization is key to maintaining a smooth meal prep routine and will provide you with practical strategies to make it a breeze. And there you have it, our top meal prep hacks to simplify your week and maintain a healthy lifestyle. By implementing these strategies, you'll save time, reduce stress, and have a fridge full of delicious and nutritious meals ready to enjoy. We hope you found these meal prep ideas helpful. If you enjoyed this video on Simplify Your Week healthy meal prep hacks for busy individuals, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips and inspiration. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for tuning in. And remember, with a little bit of planning and prepping, you can simplify your week and stay on track with your health goals. Stay tuned for more videos aimed at making your life easier and healthier. Until next time, happy meal prepping and have a fantastic week.